Looking for a portable picnic table that can be used outdoors? Look no further than the best outdoor folding picnic table. These tables are designed to be foldable and easy to transport, making them perfect for camping, tailgating, picnicking, and any other outdoor event. So let's get started with the list. List number 1. GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cookstation Portable Outdoor Folding Table. Outdoor Slim Fold Cookstation Portable Outdoor Folding Table is the perfect accessory for your next camping trip. Bring your own pots and pans to cook up a tasty meal in the outdoors. Sturdy powder-coated steel frame and premium plastic fold-out side tables make the table sturdy enough to handle even a heavy grill. The table is equipped with 3 adjustable levels to allow it to be level in any location, while the 4 wheels provide easy mobility on uneven surfaces. This slim foldable camping table brings the kitchen outside with enough counter and storage space to accommodate camp kitchen equipment like stoves and grills, cooking utensils, and cookware. The table is lightweight and transportable for any outdoor activity or day of fun in the great outdoors. One-piece powder-coated steel outdoor table frame easily unfolds to reveal a heat-resistant aluminum countertop, storage rack, and 4 plastic fold-out side tables. Enjoy the outdoors while cooking with the 14 inches folding camp table from Global. This folding camp table brings the kitchen outside and includes enough counter space to accommodate camp kitchen equipment like stoves and grills, cooking utensils and cookware. Specialized shelving. Grill table features a heat-resistant aluminum countertop, 48 pounds. Weight limit. For camp stoves. Outdoor prep table also includes a lower rack, 35 pounds. Weight limit. For dry goods storage. List number 2. Red Camp Aluminum Camping Table 3 foot. The Red Camp Aluminum Camping Table 3 foot with carry handle is an ideal camping chair for outdoor vacations. This table is made of durable aluminum and folds up to a compact size. It comes with an anti-slip edge and rubber feet on the bottom, so they won't slide while you eat or drink your morning coffee. The tabletop is easy to wipe clean after a meal or hangout session. A compact design means it can easily fit into most vehicles, making it especially useful for camping trips or road trips. At 9 pounds and able to hold up to 70 pounds, this lightweight camping table is perfect for smaller parties of 2 or 3 people. Frame color, black. Add a durable and portable folding camping table to your event or backyard. The lightweight aluminum table folds up for easy transportation and storage, with a maximum of 250 pounds when folded. This table is designed for outdoor use. It is made of aluminum, and finished with added U-shaped side support and secure latch, ensures the aluminum camping table stable enough in use. It comes with an elegant appearance and features a perfect design. It is easy to clean the tabletop with a paper or cloth. You will get many uses out of this lightweight folding table for camping trip, travel, outdoor concert and sports events. The portable folding table can be used as picnic table for outdoor, side table for RV outside, barbecue, serving table for dining, small patio table for adult, metal camping table for beach, fishing. List number 3. Portal Camping Table Foldable Portable with Adjustable Legs. Portal Camping Table Foldable Portable with Adjustable Legs aluminum tabletop with mesh bottom provides more space and holds more stuff for you. Can be used on uneven surface or when watching TV or reading. The aluminum slat tabletop can be rolled up. Includes carry bag, makes the table extremely compact for easy storage and transportation. Assembly can be finished in 1 minute. For the adventurous you, we have something that can be used on many occasions. The Portal Folding Table is designed to meet the demands of your next camping adventure. Its telescoping aluminum legs let you adjust its height to fit uneven surfaces and increase its stability, allowing you to have more space and hold more stuff for you. The mesh bottom layer provides more space for larger objects and lets them stay cool in hot weather. Once fully assembled, it has 4 legs that are sturdy enough for all-day use on uneven surfaces. Non-skid feet ensure the table will not slide around during use or transport, enhancing comfort and safety. Also included with this table is a convenient carry bag for easy storage between uses. Simply roll up the tabletop and store it in your trunk or back seat. Our laminated surface resists scratches from sharp bumps along the way. With a solid steel frame construction and painted rust-resistant finish, this portable aluminum table will exceed your expectations while providing a rustic appearance which will suit most backyard setups. List number 4. Red Camp Small Folding Camping Table. Our small folding camping table is the best choice for you if you want to enjoy your favorite outdoor activities with friends and family. It is a lightweight, durable and portable table which can be folded out easily into a large size. This folding camp table can be used as picnic table for outdoor, RV outside, barbecue, serving table for dining, small patio table for adult and kids. This lightweight and portable folding camping table is perfect for outdoor use. With a capacity to hold up to 70 pounds, it's tall enough to accommodate more than 2 people, as long as your seats are height-controlling cushions. The compact design makes it easy to take along on camping trips or beach vacations. This camp table folds in half for easy storage and transport. This small folding camping table comes with 2 trip heights and 2 adjustable legs. The lightweight and portable table weighs 5.5 pounds, so you can carry it easily with the comfortable carrying handle. It's like having a home or office in your car or truck, or in any convenient location where you need a small table. Folded size: L 23.6, XW 15.7, 60 by 40 centimeters. 2 trip heights can be adjusted from 10 inches, 26 centimeters to 19 inches, 50 centimeters with the adjustable legs. Pack size is 15.7, x 11.8, x 2.6, 40 by 30 by 6.5 centimeters when folded in half. Keep the aluminum camping table away from fire. Lay it on flat ground, press the tabletop slightly in the middle to ensure it's flat. List number 5. Tailgating Table Collapsible Folding Camping Beach Table. Collapsible Folding Camping Beach Table. This table is an ideal addition to any tailgating or camping party. The table comes with a travel bag for easy portability and storage when you are moving from one tailgate to another or finding a place for storage. It can be used for food and drinks, standing on its own or leaning against the wall of your tent or vehicle. It's easily assembled in less than 10 minutes and takes up very little space in your vehicle. Cameron's portable tailgating table is the perfect companion for your next tailgate, barbecue or picnic. With a zippered, insulated cooler, food holder and 4 cup holders, you can easily bring and enjoy food and cold drinks. Its light, collapsible design means it's easy to store, and the included travel bag makes it easy to carry. Bring your tailgating, backyard barbecue or picnic to the next level with Cameron's portable tailgating table. Perfect companionship for BBQs, picnics and more. With a zippered insulated cooler, food holder and 4 cup holders, you can easily bring your favorite food and cold drinks with this 4-person table. Weighing only 10 pounds. This table is easy to carry and store thanks to its convenient travel bag. Designed with comfort in mind, the table has a collapsible design that makes it easy to store and transport between parties. It includes a built-in cooler for meals and drinks, so you can bring your favorite food along for any tailgating plans.